all have those days that when it rains it pours. Okay, maybe they aren't as bad as this. But real life happens and no one is immune to water damage. Busted pipes, leaking drains, clogged lines, a number of things could have you finding yourself with water damage asking, what now? At Roto-Rooter Huntsville, we have a full water restoration division that's at your every call. From sudden accidents to late night emergencies, we know how to save your home and get you back on track. When you find yourself in this predicament, we will send a first responder to inspect the situation. Using state-of-the-art equipment like moisture meters and thermal imaging, we will locate the extent of your damage and create a plan. Once we have determined what is affected, we will discuss the steps to move forward. After some quick paperwork, we move on to the next step in saving your home. Our project manager will reach out to you quickly and schedule a time for a team to get started. Now let's start the job. Depending on the category, our technicians will utilize the appropriate PPE in keeping safety first. If there is content such as furniture, clothing, or keepsakes, our technicians will either move these items or cover them with a protective plastic to ensure that your belongings are kept damage-free. If there is any standing water, we will use various methods of extraction to remove this water from each surface. Now, we will start the cleaning process leading to demolition. Before any demolition or drying begins, we set containment in the affected area to keep dust and bacteria out of the rest of your home. If you have what is considered a Category 2 loss, we have various methods in an attempt to minimize demolition and save materials. One method is wall injections. We also have drying mats. If you have what is considered a Category 3 loss, in following the IICRCS 500 standard, we must remove all affected areas, including drywall, many types of flooring, and much more. Once any demolition needed is complete, we clean all affected areas, not removed, with a special cleaning agent and plant-based antimicrobial. This not only kills bacteria, but also prevents the spread of any bacteria during the drying process. Next up, we start setting equipment. Dehumidifiers along with air movement accelerate the speed of drying. We won't bore you with the science, but we assure you a box fan or two won't work. Our trained and certified technicians know the science and will position each piece accordingly to dry out your home. After this, each day a monitoring technician will come take moisture readings in each affected area in your home. This is how we document the process for insurance companies and also how we know when your home or business is dry and complete. Once complete, our technicians will come out for one final cleanup and remove the equipment from your home. Well, that about sums it up. If you find yourself in need of our team, we can discuss all of the details and the in-betweens with you to ensure that our world-class service saves your home and keeps you living without worry. Give us a call today.